Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to download your resale certificate in Florida step by step. This resale certificate is very important if you are doing Amazon FBA wholesale because distributors will ask for it. So let's get started. Before downloading, let me quickly explain what a resale certificate is. Florida Resale Certificate is officially called the Florida Annual Resale Certificate for Sales Tax. It allows you to buy products tax free for resale purposes. So let's move into the system. First, open your browser and go to Florida Department of Revenue website. I will provide the link in the description. Remember one thing, if you are located outside of USA, then you need to use a VPN to browse this website. Otherwise, the website will not working. So after open the website, then you look for the option to print annual resale certificate. Now click on the option print annual resale certificate. It will redirect into a new page. Here you can see the options print annual resale certificate. For Amazon purposes, we need to click on this print sale tax annual resale certificate. Click on this, and if you would like to get the instruction how to download step by step, here is the option in a PDF. If you click on this PDF, you can see the options and the steps how to download resale certificate. So click on this print sale tax annual resale certificate here, and it will redirect you to a new page. Here you can see the options annual resale certificates. You need to select the option sales and use tax. Just click on this and it will redirect you to this page. Here you need to select I agree to above terms and conditions. Just click these options and then click on next. You need to wait some time. It will redirect you to a new page. Here you can see you have to put your business information here, like your first name, last name, date and phone number, extensions, email, and again confirm email, and then click and then you need to click this I'm not a robot, and then need to select the captcha here. So let me finish these steps. Okay, after entering the information, you need to click on the next step. Click on here and it will redirect you to another step. Here you can see the option. You need to put your business partner number and certificate number here. After submitting the details here, you need to click on the next button. Okay, here you can see the dashboard. From here you can download your resale certificate. So you need to select the year of your certificate. So make sure you select the current year here. So I've already selected. Now you can click on this check mark and you can get the option to print selected certificate here. So just click on this button and it will redirect you to the resale certificate, update resale certificate here. So here you can see the certificate, and you can print or download it. Please remember, Florida resale certificate are renewed every year. Make sure the year on the certificate is current, and always send a clear PDF copy to your suppliers. Never try to edit or change any information manually. If this video helpful for you, please like, subscribe and comment below. Thank you so much.